Okay, so I'm gonna climb the stairs here because I'm in between the rooms and I am not actively scanning any rooms. The first rule, as I mentioned, is to never climb upstairs as you are scanning, while you are scanning. And you always want to have a proper scanning technique, as in you want to define your room, the enclosed space that you want to scan. So I'm closing this door behind myself. And I see that in this master bedroom, I have a master bedroom, I have a bathroom, and I also have a closet. Now, I could go ahead and scan all of these all at once, but let's just say that I want to keep this bathroom as a separate room so that it's just fewer things I'm doing all at once. So again, I just press start a new room. I move my device and it's starting to detect everything for me. So as I enter this closet, I may notice that there is not a whole lot of light here. So there's a flashlight button at the bottom right corner of the screen. I'll just press and hold it and my torchlight turns on. So it helps the scanning a little as I do that. I can again hold the button to turn it off. Let's press inspect, make sure everything is correct. So you see that the stuff I scanned before is grayed out and this room is has been scanned pretty nicely. So I say finish room and it automatically detected that this is a bedroom. Now, as I move around here, I notice that my window is not captured really well. And instead of the window itself, I actually have received the entire opening here. So to fix this, it's really easy. I tap on this window, I say edit window, and here I just give it dimensions that I manually take off. And that way the software, even though you don't see a visual change, it knows to adjust for that change. Another thing, let's assume that because we said we are assumed there's a garage somewhere around here, I can just tap on the floor here. I can say edit floor and I can say this floor is adjacent to unheated, so that I basically say there's a garage underneath me. This is just an exercise for you to create these boundary conditions. So the door that we have closed now, because we are in between the rooms, we can go into the bathroom and we can finish that work. Before I do that, I will make sure that I don't forget about my ceilings. So I edit my ceiling here, make sure that it is exterior. I'm noting there is the attic here. So there's an actual space at the top. And these air supply grills, unlike the ones in our main space, because they are passing through unheated attic, we have to mark them. So I tap on the screen here. And so I tap on the screen here. I say add entity on ceiling. And I say this is a ventilation item and I say air supply grills and I say duct insulation, let's say it's for example R4, and it passes through unheated attic. So that way I'm telling software to just create a little bit of an additional load in this room according to the F280 standard. Okay, so with that, with those items out of the way, I just want to talk about one more thing in this space, and that is just a reminder about the door item that we talked about. Let's say I want to take a picture of what is going on inside this closet. If I tap here and say add entity, you will notice that it gets added on the door, right? Because if I really want to add something on the wall behind, I have to go inside the closet. I have to make sure that the tablet is going inward this surface. So again, be mindful of that, but I think it's a good example of showing how these openings and doors can sometimes trip people up. I'll see you in the video about the bathroom of this bedroom.